Headache symptoms like throbbing, squeezing, or pressure can really slow you down. Let's explore easy home remedies. Cold compress therapy works wonders. Wrap ice in cloth, place on your forehead for 15 minutes to reduce pain. Peppermint oil massaged onto temples can ease tension. Mix 1 drop with a teaspoon of coconut oil before using. Stay hydrated. Dehydration triggers headaches. Sip water slowly through the day, especially after exercising or being outdoors. Herbal tea like chamomile or ginger soothes your body and mind. Sip slowly, breathe deeply, and let tension melt away. Magnesium-rich foods like spinach, almonds, and black beans can help prevent frequent headaches. Supplements may help too. Fresh ginger tea eases inflammation. Slice fresh ginger into boiling water. Sip warm and feel headache pressure lift. Rest in a dark, quiet room. Light and sound sensitivity can make headaches worse, so give yourself full calm. A little caffeine can help narrow blood vessels. A small cup of coffee may cut headache pain, just don't overdo it. Lavender oil can calm nerves and ease headaches. Rub a little on your wrists or breathe it in slowly. Gentle neck stretches loosen tension. Roll your shoulders, tilt your head side to side, and feel the pressure ease. Reduce screen time. Staring too long at screens strains your eyes and worsens headaches. Take screen breaks often. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Oversleeping or not getting enough rest can set off painful headaches. Certain foods like chocolate, wine, or aged cheese trigger migraines. Track meals in a journal to find your triggers. Take slow, deep breaths when pain starts. Deep breathing helps your body relax and eases headache pressure. Try acupressure. Press the spot between thumb and index finger for 1 minute. It can cut pain naturally. Apple cider vinegar compress. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. Soak a cloth and place on forehead. A warm shower relaxes tight muscles around your neck and head. Let the water run over tense spots. Vitamin B2, known as Riboflavin, may lower migraine frequency. Always ask your doctor about the right dose for you. Fix your posture. Slouching strains neck and head muscles, triggering headaches. Sit tall and stretch your back often. Yoga poses like child's pose ease tension and improve circulation. A few minutes can make a big difference. Scalp massage boosts blood flow. Use fingertips to gently rub in circles along your scalp to relieve tightness. Avoid strong perfumes or chemical smells. Scents can trigger migraines or worsen headache symptoms quickly. Hydrate with coconut water for natural electrolytes. It helps balance your system and fight dehydration headaches. Wear a gentle cold headband across your forehead. It cools down inflammation and dulls throbbing pain. Avoid loud, jarring sounds during a headache. Noise sensitivity is common. Keep your space quiet and calm. Get some sunshine. Low vitamin D levels are linked to headaches. A few minutes outside can make a big difference. Take an Epsom salt bath. The magnesium in Epsom salts helps relax muscles and calm the nervous system. Limit alcohol. Drinks like wine and beer can dehydrate you and trigger migraines, especially if you're sensitive. Use a warm herbal compress on your neck or forehead. Heat relaxes muscles and eases headache tightness naturally. Meditation reduces stress headaches. Even 5 minutes of focused breathing can quiet the mind and relieve pressure. Eat iron-rich foods like spinach or lentils. Low iron levels cause fatigue and can sometimes trigger headaches. Stretch wrists, arms, and shoulders. Tension anywhere in your upper body can creep into your head and cause pain. Avoid processed foods full of additives. MSG, nitrates, and hidden sugars often spark headaches for sensitive people. Sip cooling peppermint tea for a refreshing break. It calms the digestive system and the nervous system together. Use blue light filters on devices to protect your eyes. Reducing eye strain helps prevent screen-induced headaches. Eat balanced meals at regular times. Skipping meals or low blood sugar can easily trigger painful headaches. Use aromatherapy blends made for headaches. Diffusing essential oils like eucalyptus or rosemary can ease your pain. Gentle back stretches help posture and circulation. Keep your spine mobile to avoid pressure building in your head. Try a cool foot soak. Cooling your feet pulls blood downward and may ease intense head pressure fast. Wrap ice around the back of your neck. Cooling this area calms nerves and shrinks inflamed blood vessels. Keep a scent-free, fresh air environment when resting. It helps sensitive noses relax and prevents extra headache triggers. Keep a headache diary. Tracking symptoms and triggers can reveal patterns and help you avoid future headaches. Seek professional help if headaches don't improve. Persistent pain needs medical advice to rule out anything serious.